Hi guys, so sorry I've been kind of quiet this weekend, but I have just been spring cleaning the house, my craft area, doing taxes, all those fun things. Those are done, so I'm, okay, done with that. But really quickly, a friend of mine here, Marilyn, let me know that the Anna Griffin stamped, like decoupage adhesive kit is back in stock, and this thing goes in and out of stock so fast, and I was like, I know, and it's kind of late now. It's like 7:30 my time over here in Pacific Standard Time, but I mean, they have the free shipping today, so I will link in the description box. That'll be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. I get questions all the time about where I got this, all those kind of things. So it has a little tiny squares, it has larger squares, like medium, and then the larger ones, larger for this. But I love these little guys right here because, like, I do not like spending time cutting up, the foam adhesive to get little pieces like this for different projects. Especially a lot of, like, the dies that if you want to put that on there and they have, like, these intricate areas, it's so nice to have these little guys. So I already picked up 2 boxes myself because I miss when it's out of stock. Obviously I have plenty, but I don't want to be out of it again. And I'm doing a lot more with intricate dies. Having said that, I will also link some dies I'm picking up from Crafter's Companion. Maybe they'll drop in price because they're new, and sometimes for the craft days they drop in price, but like for right now I just go ahead and grab them. I'll link them in the description box. They're very much like those advanced dies that I really love of theirs that they put out not too long ago, like in different sizes, but these are slimline ones, so I will include both of those. Of course, picked up a bunch of other stuff, but those are the ones I've been playing already with the other things I picked up recently, like the Heartfelt Creation stuff. What you're looking at right here is Crafter's Companion sub boxes that I finally, I'll show you guys what I do with it later because I took pictures of how I had them in my room, upstairs in my room, in my bedroom, my master bedroom. Had them all lined up and stacked on top of each other, and I was like, you know what, that just needs to be done. So I was finishing that up because I pretty much had done it, but not quite. So I finally tackled the rest of it and got that all done. I think I mentioned before that I was doing that, but it wasn't quite finished. And then all I did was take them out of the boxes, which kind of hurts my heart because honestly the boxes have like inspo on them, but like that's it. And so I had sample cards that I left in there. I have just some other things I need to finish putting away in other places, but kind of put all the papers together, and anyway, just got through them and just took those down. So I'm very proud of myself that's finished, but it did make me a little sad, And what's so funny though, real quick, is going through it, I was like, I can see back in time where like the boxes were so amazing, and then they got a little less amazing, and when a friend of mine here says, it's after that button kit, everything went downhill, and honestly, it kind of feels like that. I was like, there was all these different cool things, and even the flower forming set, and all these fun things, and it just started, I don't know. Oh well. Anyway, guys, I'll link the links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Have a great night. Bye now.